It's so rewarding to share what we have in the garden with our wildlife, especially at times when they need it most. Much of Australia is in the grip of a lengthy severe drought, and this has affected trees' capacity to produce flowers, fruit and seed. With less food available in the wild, these king parrots have fortunately managed to find our grapevine in the garden and promptly helped themselves. We don't often see them in our garden, as they normally forage for fruit and seeds in rainforests, as well as in open canopy forests that are characterised by towering gum trees. Remember to subscribe, and if you liked this video, give it the thumbs up.